What's up, YouTube? It's 터프정우. Today I'm going to chocolate affair in Cadiz, Kentucky, and this is today what I'm going to wearing for chocolate affair. This year theme is 1900 to 1920, called Parisian Soiree. So I will show you my whole outfit. Ta-da! I'm going to wearing this for today, chocolate affair. And then the dress code, the Parisian soiree is request, not require. Not, you don't have to wear it. I ordered this 1920 outfit in Amazon. Ooh, and look different too. I like it. Okay, I'm here, Cadiz, Kentucky. This is a museum, and then with Ashley today with my friend Dan. Yep, so I will show you guys over there. See you soon. What's up, YouTube? It's 터프정우. Today I'm going to chocolate affair in Cadiz, Kentucky, and this is today what I'm going to wearing for chocolate affair. This year theme is 1900 to 1920, called Parisian Soiree. So I will show you my whole outfit. Ta-da! I'm going to wearing this for today, chocolate affair. And then the dress code, the Parisian soiree is request, not require. Not, you don't have to wear it. Exactly 1920, but I want to try, so I ordered this 1920 outfit in Amazon. Ooh, and look different too. I like it. Okay, I'm here, Cadiz, Kentucky. This is a museum, and then with Ashley today with my friend Dan. No, I was cleaning, getting ready, and they actually told me, "Mommy, I don't want to go." And then I do have a ticket. I don't want to just throw away $25. That's a lot of money. So I called my friend. I did the SOS. Hey, Dawn, are you busy? I'm so sorry. Can I borrow your body? Asking your husband because today she's anniversary. Yes. Today 25 years.
25 years.
Awesome.
Long time. But I'm with Jungwoo instead.
Yeah. She's so beautiful.
1920.
1920s. Her perfect concept. And then I told you earlier I got the video. Yep, I did. This is a 1920 outfit. Oh my god, I'm look different.
No, you look pretty.
Not look ugly.
No, you're beautiful.
Oh,
you're
thank you. Yep, so I will show you guys over there. See you soon. The last year, not like that. That's so cute.
It's very clever. I think they're very interesting.
So cute.
The exhibit is.
Yeah. We had so much fun. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye. And the elephant.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe me.
Don't forget the thumbs up.
Bye bye.